New pack. Not sure what's in here, but it's a big pack. So at Frosties, we thrive on embracing individuality, originality, and boldness through our apparel. Shout out to Frosties. It's got a nice little care package. A Frosties lighter, a hoodie, came in a nice bag. Says Frosties on it. Never heard of the brand, but I don't have to rock with them. They rocking with me, you feel me? Shirt. I don't want to open it up out the plastic. Some shorts. Oh, these are reminiscent to like my Orlando Magic shorts. Has their logo on the side. Frosty. This is who sent me these. They know who they are. Just like an all over print. I really like this one right here. Whatever that is. You know. Shout out to Frosties.